Hello, second graders. My name is Miss Germeroth, and I will be the teacher instructing your social studies mini lesson for today. Make sure that before you begin, you go and grab your social studies notebook and something that you can write with. Our objective for today states that I can define what it means to be a good citizen by learning about examples of what a good citizen does so I can help make society a better place. So as we begin, I first want you to think about what makes a good citizen. Based on your answer, have you ever done anything a good citizen would do? Record. Now that you have reflected and you've written some ideas of what you think makes a good citizen, I'm going to show you some text and some video resources that provide examples of what a good citizen does. You're going to watch the Mindful Matters or Mindful Minutes video after you complete this video, and it will be on the next page in your playlist. I am going to read you the story, I Am a Good Citizen, and I will show you the 10 ways to be a good citizen list. As you listen and look at these 3 resources, I want you to write down at least 3 examples of what a good citizen does. I am a good citizen. What is a good citizen? Your dog made a mess. Do you leave it? Or are you a good citizen? Good citizens care for their communities. They help others. Good citizens respect people's property. They follow the rules. Why be a good citizen? Good citizens make a community strong. People feel good when you help them. Parks are healthier when you care for them. Everyone is safer when you follow rules. You are a good citizen. You can be a good citizen. Help other people. Follow the rules. Leave things better than you found them. You will feel proud of your community. You will feel proud of yourself. The following are 10 ways to be a good citizen. Volunteer to be active in your community. Find ways that you can help others and that you can help the environment. Be honest and trustworthy. Always tell the truth. Follow rules and laws. Respect the rights and beliefs of others. Be informed about the world around you. Find out what's going on in your community, maybe even in your state or your country. Respect the property and belongings of others. Be compassionate and show others that you care. Take responsibility for your actions. If you do something wrong, be honest about it. Be a good neighbor. Be social and friendly and kind to others. Protect the environment. Based on what you have learned so far, look at these pictures and determine which pictures display actions of a good citizen and which ones display actions that are not so kind. We have 2 people that are cleaning up trash, 2 people that are giving each other a hug, 1 person that is yelling very loudly, 1 person that is breaking an object, and 2 that are sharing a book. Think carefully. Which pictures display citizens that are volunteering to help? Which ones are being kind? Which ones are following the rules? And think about which ones are not showing people that are being compassionate. They are not making responsible choices, and they are not showing respect for property. Take a second to pause the video and think your thoughts over of which pictures display the actions of a good citizen. Now that you've had some time to think after pausing the video, let's review the pictures together. In this first picture, we see 2 people that are displaying the actions of a good citizen because they are volunteering and they are taking the time to help clean up the environment by picking up the trash outside. This next picture also shows people that are acting like good citizens because they are showing compassion towards one another as they give each other a hug and put a smile on the other one's face. In this next picture, this person is not showing actions of a good citizen because they are not making a very helpful choice, and it does not look like they are showing compassion as they yell very loudly. In this picture, these are also actions that are not those of a good citizen, because this person is not respecting property and is breaking something that either belongs to him or someone else. In this last picture, these two children are demonstrating the actions of a good citizen because they are sharing, which is both not only a rule in school, but it's also just a very kind thing to do. At the end of this video, you will go to the top corner or the top right corner of your page, and you will click on the black arrow. That will lead you to this Mindful Minutes video. Watch this video, and if you have not done so already, you will write the last of your 3 notes of examples of what a good citizen does. The final page in your playlist is where you are going to submit your assignment for the end of this mini lesson. As you view the resources, you wrote down your 3 examples of what a good citizen does. Now, I want you to think of at least 2 examples of ways that you, as an individual, can be a good citizen.